Hi, it's Paula Hinton from 5 Senses Spa, Salon, and Barbershop in Peoria, Illinois. The entire beauty industry needs everyone's help to bring tax fairness to our small businesses across the U.S. now. Guests come in to receive services. Guests express their gratitude by tipping their service providers. Our small businesses pay the tips in payroll. The employees will receive full tip amounts less the required 7.65% in FICA taxes. Note, our small businesses get $0 from the tips. Here's where it all goes wrong. Our small businesses have to add money to the tips. Tips are part of wages and are taxed at 7.65% for employee FICA taxes. Because tips are considered wages, small businesses are obligated to pay employer taxes on tips, which includes 7.65% FICA for Social Security and Medicare, plus state unemployment taxes, not to mention over 3% in credit card swipe fees, transaction fees, and extra costs based on what type of card is used.
It is 1993, and we have some breaking news.
Restaurants. 45B IRS federal tax code will allow restaurants to get a tax credit on the employer's portion of the FICA taxes paid on tips.
Restaurants are the most tipped industry, followed by the beauty industry. However, the beauty industry is not allowed the same rights as the restaurant industry for the IRS 45B FICA Tax Tip Credit. The 45B federal IRS tax law was written over 30 years ago, and the beauty industry has been asking to be included for decades. The beauty industry deserves to be treated the same as restaurants, and we want to be included in the 45B federal IRS tax code to bring fairness and allow our small businesses to thrive. Stop! Some of you are thinking,
then just tip in cash and not report it.
So that's illegal? Not only as an employee, but the business is still held responsible for cash tips, which can lead to IRS audits, penalties, and fines. Let's elevate our industry. Instead of messing with tax evasion, let's get the same tax credit as the restaurants do. Then, tax compliance goes up, employees pay into their Social Security and Medicare correctly, and small business owners reinvest into their employees and communities. We are on Main Street, we provide local jobs, and we serve our communities. We are a diverse industry made up of many beautiful races, many of which are hardworking women and single moms being pulled in many directions. From graduations to job interviews, weddings to births, first haircuts to prom, we have been there for your many special moments in life. We're not reinventing the wheel. The tax code has existed for restaurants for over 30 years. Include us and let's bring parity to our beloved beauty industry. Call, email, or visit your representatives and senators. Ask them to co-sponsor our House H.R.45 and Senate S.45 bills so we can pass these bills into law.